Welcome to a new studio vlog. It's Monday night and I'm getting all of my butterfly paintings ready for a shop update soon. There are a few butterflies I'm not happy with, so I want to make them a bit better before my shop update. Also this week, I'll be packing your orders, painting with watercolor, and later a brand new product I ordered will arrive and we'll open it together. Oh, and I didn't introduce myself yet, so if you're new here, hi, I'm Allison, and if you've been here before, welcome back. I'm so happy you're here. Hey there, it is now Wednesday and I am about to film a tutorial for my membership, Nature with Watercolor. And these are, I think they're called Amanita frostiana, something like that. And it's going to be part of my fungi art challenge, which is starting soon. So I will link that challenge in the description of this video if you wanted to join all of us who are doing it. But of course I am going to work ahead just so that I can have this tutorial ready for my members for the challenge. So I'm going to do that. And then my other plan for today is to take photos of my butterflies, which you can't really see them back there, but photos of my butterflies for my shop update. That will be soon. I'm going to send all of those photos to my sister, and she is going to edit them for me and add all of those butterflies to my shop for me because it's a lot, 24 butterflies, and I can't do it all. I need some help, so she's going to help me with that. So now I need to film this tutorial, get this ready to also send to my sister to edit. So let's paint these mushrooms together. This mushroom painting and I love it so much, so much, and for some weird reason I feel very energized and decided to film the second tutorial for my membership for September, which are trumpet mushrooms. Black trumpet mushrooms. I was not planning on doing this today, but I thought that it would be best to go ahead and do it because my camera is already set up and I feel energized and it'll be nice just to get it done. So yeah, I'm going to now film the second tutorial. I might not get the other things I wanted to get done today. At least this will be done, and yeah, so I'm going to do that now. comments what mushroom painting is your favorite. I feel like this one is my favorite. Hey, it is now the evening time and I'm going to pack some orders. And I just want to say first, thank you Shannon for ordering that frog peony print. It means a lot to me. And thank you everyone who ordered stickers over the last few days. Ever since my last vlog came out, I've been getting a lot of orders from you guys, so thank you so much. It just brightens up my day. It makes me so happy to send you all stickers, and your support just means the world to me, so thank you. And yeah, I'm going to now pack the sticker orders and Shannon's print, and then call it a day for today. What are you doing? You're going to get all wet. It is storming really bad outside right now, but we need it. It's been really dry here. So the new product I ordered still has not arrived yet, and the tracking number is weird. Like, it doesn't say when it'll be arriving yet. And it shipped like 5 days ago, so hopefully it comes tomorrow. I basically spent the whole day working on my membership stuff, uploading some butterfly tutorials and a bunch of other computer things that are not that exciting. But the very first virtual meetup for my membership, Nature with Watercolor, is in like a half hour. And I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. I've never done like a Zoom call before, so hopefully it goes okay. But anyways, I just wanted to share like a little story with you. So today on my way to the post office, I was driving my car and I saw this bird on the road. At first I thought maybe it was just like a yellow leaf or something. I don't know, I just passed it really quickly. And then I looked in my rear view mirror and I saw, like, I realized it was a bird and it was like tumbling on the road, but I could tell it was alive because it was like trying to fly, and it was like moving, and I was like, oh my gosh, like, wow, this is a poor bird. I felt so bad. I didn't hit it. It was already on the road. But I instantly turned around and I pulled to the side of the road and I picked it up like really quickly because I was afraid there were going to be cars coming. So I grabbed it really quickly. I held it and it was alive. It was not bleeding or anything. It seemed all right, but it couldn't fly and it wasn't moving a lot at all. So I was like, oh my gosh, what do I do? What do I do? I don't know what to do. So then I Googled the closest animal clinic to me and I drove there. And on the way there, it was just like sitting on the seat beside me in the passenger seat, and I just felt so bad for it. It was really still. It didn't really chirp much, only just a little bit, and I just felt so bad. So then, yeah, I took it there to the clinic. They had like they have a stay in our car, and then you like call a number and tell them that you're at the second spot in the parking lot, and then they come and they like look at your animal. But they took the poor bird, and hopefully it's okay. I hope it's okay. But I was so emotional. After that, I went to the post office and I like broke down. I was just so upset, and the post office lady like gave me a hug. She's like the sweetest lady. But I was just so emotional. But I really hope it's okay. Anyways, I just wanted to tell you that story. Like, that just made like turn my day upside down, because I don't know, I'm an animal lover. I love animals so much. It just breaks my heart when I see them injured. But yeah, so now I have this Zoom call and I'm like, oh my gosh. So today is just kind of like a nerve-wracking day. I hope it goes well. Anyways, yeah, so I just wanted to share that with you. It's Friday now, and I just finished the live tutorial on YouTube. Yay! I love it so much. And now I'm going to cut this out and take a photo for the thumbnail, and then upload that new thumbnail, and then I have to leave to visit my parents and help them out with some things. Yeah, and I thought that I would update you on how my my virtual meetup went yesterday for my membership. So it went okay. We had technical difficulties, so that was kind of stressful, and I was so nervous, so nervous, but it was awesome. It was so cool to like see people like you, if you're part of the membership. Is so cool to see you, and other people. Like, it's kind of like seeing them in person. It's so different than doing these live streams or like messaging you guys. It's just really cool. It is now Sunday, and finally I received my new product that I am so excited to open with you. So let's open this together. I got acrylic pins from Sticker Mule. So what do you think of these new pins? I would love to know, so let me know in the comments. I got these pins from Sticker Mule, and I do have a $10 coupon for you towards your very first Sticker Mule order if you would also like to try out these pins or to try out their stickers that they have. The protective coating on these is like really hard to like take off. It's taking me a while to take off the coating. So I will, by the time this vlog comes out, have these in my shop, and there are only 10. And if they do well, I will plan on ordering some more monarch butterfly ones, and then possibly other kinds of acrylic pins. So yeah, if they do well. If they don't do well, then I might not order anymore. So yeah, I will link these in the description below for you. I feel like this vlog was all over the place this week, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you made it this far in the vlog, answer this in the comments below. What do you like to put pins on? Like acrylic pins, enamel pins, any kind of pin, really. So far, I've only put pins on tote bags. I haven't really put them on anything else, but I feel like if I had like a jean jacket, maybe I'd put some on a jean jacket. I don't really know, but yeah, so far I only put pins really on my tote bag. So I would love to know in the comments what you like to put pins on. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And feel free to also check out one of these videos over here next. I hope you have a lovely week. I appreciate you. See you later. Bye.